We're going to show you how to make this paper airplane right here. So watch, and I'll teach you how to make this airplane. First, you're going to take your paper and fold over the corner to the other side, lining up the edges. One fold to one side, then you're going to take the opposite side and fold that over. Get it as square as you can. Line up the edges so they're both together, and you should have like a X in the paper. See? One end's a little bit longer. One end goes to each point. Now you're going to take the paper and fold it in the middle and fold down the top and line up, feeling with your fingers, the very edge of the paper to the other very edge. When you fold it up, it should line right up. So now we got this part. Now we're going to fold this corner in here. You can do the same with the other side. They shouldn't overlap, but they should meet up right together if we do it right. Now we're left with this part here. Now if you take this corner, and now we're just going to fold this in. And then we're going to take the other side and do the same thing. Line it up the best you can. Now you should have a piece like this with a little edge, and you can rip it down with your fingers. Where basically we're going to cut down the center right here until we get to the very right about there, because we just want this free right here. And if you take your finger here, you'll make a little hole in there, make a little pocket. Now we're going to fold the paper into the pocket. So it's like that. Do the same with the other side. Just kind of mush it in there a little bit. Okay, so now so far we got the base of our airplane. Down to make the wings, we're going to fold the edge over here. Then we're going to fold it again. Line it up the best we can with the corners and the edges. So there's the one left side wing. We'll do the same with this side. Something you can make while you're waiting for springtime to come during this winter. And we just unfold our wings. You kind of put your hand in here, it's like a little pocket. And yeah, there's our airplane. So that's how you make this type of airplane. I don't know what the name of it is, but it's a nice, neat little airplane. No point on it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching.